Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to change the drawstring on your hoodie. This is a super quick DIY. I have this beautiful blinged out lace that I got off Amazon that I want to put on it. They have a bunch of different colors. I'll link it down below so you guys can go check it out. So it is a pretty long piece. You can use it for shoes, for hoodies, for whatever it is you want to use it. In this case, I'm using it for the drawstring. So I'm going to show you guys how to change it in less than 5 minutes. It's super, super quick. So it also does come with these little ends. So you guys can put it at the end of the lace and it doesn't come apart or whatever. So anyways, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to tape them like this. Yes, I'm going to tape them both together. I am using blue duct tape. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to tape each one individually. I'm going to put them as tight as I can together because you have to keep in mind that this does have to be able to go through the little hole where the drawstring is. So since they're going to be together, it gets thicker. So I'm trying to make this as tight as I can as I go. Get a good, cover over it, over the end right there. You guys can see. And then I'm going to do the same to the other one, the blinged out one. So right there you see me tighten it, making it as thin as possible. Like I said, I'm going to do the same thing to that one. That one you can't really put pressure on it, but I do want it to be pretty tight because the lace is, thick. And then I'm going to tape them both together and make it as tight as I can. So like I said, while I'm taping them, I'm trying to make them as close as I can, tightly together, because when I'm pulling the drawstring through the hoodie hole, I want to make sure, it doesn't get pulled and then the drawstrings come out. So that's why I also do that extra step of taping them individually, each lace, so when I'm pulling, they don't come apart. So make sure you get full coverage over both. Super, super tight as you can. It just makes the job easier, you know what I mean? So once I am done doing that, I'm going to go ahead and start pulling the drawstring through the opposite side very gently because I do still want to be careful, even though it's secure and taped up, still be gentle, pull it all the way through until the tape part reaches the entry. I'm going to go ahead and help it through, push it through the entrance right there as much as I can, and I'm going to continue pulling the drawstring through the opposite side and pushing as I go. I'm going to continue pulling the gray drawstring until you see the hoodie crunch up like that. You guys see that? There's like nothing else to pull. And then I'm just going to be holding onto the gray drawstring and start pulling the actual hoodie through the opposite side. You guys see me pulling it? So there is no pressure getting pulled from the actual lace. I'm pulling the hoodie. That is the trick to it not falling out. The lace is, separating. You pull the hoodie. And I'm going to stretch it all the way through until I see the little taped up lace part pop out like it did right there. So now I'm going to go ahead and pull it out all the way through, and I'm going to remove that tape because I no longer need it. Now that I am done removing the tape, I can go ahead and continue pulling the rhinestone lace around until I get, the desired look. If you guys want, the drawstring to be long or short, that is completely optional and up to you guys. Go ahead and measure it out until you like it, and then go ahead and cut it with some scissors The scissors cut right through it. There's no issues with that. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply the ends to the end of the laces. I'm going to go ahead and apply the aglets. I'm going to place the lace all the way in and then seal them shut all the way around with some pliers. I'm going to go ahead and do that to both ends of the lace. And I am done, guys. I told you it was super quick DIY. I mean, this is a simple, little change to a sweater, but I mean, I feel like it upgrades it. I love how this lace comes in so many different colors. I did throw the sweater in the washer and none of the rhinestones fell off, so I was really impressed. I will be ordering more. And I did try it on so you guys could check it out how it looks. I am just, looking crazy right now. I'm just wearing some jeans. My hair was up in a bun. But I mean, look, it does take your outfit to a whole nother level. I love it. I am going to be doing this again. I highly recommend it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you learned a little something. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't. If you have, thank you so much. And I will see you guys in the next one.